Retrospectives? Really? Well, let me dive in a little bit deeper here. These are the principles of the Agile Manifesto. And if you look at the last of the principles, it says at regular intervals, the team reflects on how to become more effective and tunes and adjusts its behavior accordingly. That sure sounds like a retrospective to me. How can I say it's not a best practice? Well, here's the caveat. When we look at the Agile Manifesto, there are some aspects of the manifesto that work together in pairs. That if you have one, you have to have the other. And if you're going to be doing retrospectives, but you don't embrace, build projects around motivated individuals, give them the environment and support they need, and trust them to get the job done, then what good is a retrospective? I find it completely absurd that companies will have a project management office that dictates the way that Agile is supposed to be rolled out across the organization. What good is a retrospective if a team does not have the ability to be able to inspect and adapt how they go about doing their work?